Mga kapuso, bumisita sa GMA Network ang mga opisyal ng Asian Academy of Creative Arts ang nasa likod ng prestiyosong Asian Academy Awards kung saan 9 na beses na rin nagwagi ang 24 oras. Nakatutok si Nelson Canlas.
Mula sa Singapore, lumipad pa Pilipinas ang mga opisyal ng Asian Academy of Creative Arts na sina AACA President Michael Mackay at CEO Fiona Mackay para bumisita sa GMA Network. Sinalubong sila ng mga kapuso executives.
We applaud the AACA for recognizing and celebrating the best in our industry, for our shared vision of nurturing the next generation of media leaders and practitioners, and in helping elevate the region's competitiveness in the global market.
Natutuwa kami at natutuwa tayong lahat dahil it's their first time to come to GMA and we're happy to welcome them. Excited din kami kasi tomorrow we will have a conference about production and co-production opportunities and trends sa media.
Itinatag ang AACA upang kilalanin ang kahusayan sa malikhaing paggawa at itaguyod ang pinakamataas na antas ng pagkilala na pinipili ng mga kapwa profesional sa larangan ng content creation, pagganap at produksyong pang-media.
We're here really to catch up with our friends from GMA and say hello on their 75th anniversary, which is a fantastic milestone. The support that GMA have given to the industry via the Asian Academy of Creative Arts is terrific. So we really came along today to say thank you.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Nelson Canlas, nakatutok 24 oras.